When you hit buy now on a Manly Band, you're not just ordering a ring, you're kicking off a full-blown operation, one powered by real people, not factory lines. Every Manly Band starts with raw, honest materials, wood reclaimed from whiskey barrels, metal forged to outlast your valves, sometimes even pieces of history built right into the band. We hand cut, we sand, we polish. We get real dirty so your ring looks ridiculously good. No buckets of rings here. Every order is made, not mass-produced. Touched by humans who care just as much about details as you do about finding the right one. Each ring gets the full treatment, smoothed, shined, inspected, and approved. Perfection isn't optional, it's policy. Then it's packed tight, sealed up, and sent out faster than you can say I do. And when it lands on your doorstep, that's your story. Built by hand, just for you. Manly Bands, built by hand, worn for life.